What's up, everybody? Big T here with the Cook Show. Hey, listen, for those of you who are joining us for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when we release our new videos. This morning, we're gonna cook up a quick little omelet, okay? A couple things we're gonna throw in here. It's real simple. For those of you who ain't never made an omelet, stick around, you're gonna enjoy the show. But we're gonna load this bad boy up. Let me get this up here where y'all can see it. With some Hormel's home style roast beef hash. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit of Sargento Gouda cheese up in here. Okay. And we're gonna do 4 eggs. I'm gonna make 2 omelets for you. Show you how simple this is. Okay. First things first, like always, get your skillet preheated. Let me get you over here where you can see a little something. Okay. This skillet right here is preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a couple cubes of butter down in here. Get this pan nice and ready so we can put this corned beef hash down in here. The trick to corned beef hash, what I like is, you know, you gotta make it crispy. It has to be crispy. If it ain't crispy, you're just eating a bunch of mush, in my opinion. But we're gonna get him out of this can. We're gonna put him down here in this skillet, and we're gonna make us a really nice omelet. Okay? Get this butter moving around down in here. Get him all around down in there. Nice and right. All right. See all that right there? Get down in there. Stay down in there. Get some of this roast beef hash down in here. You know, get him out of that can. Then, get on up out of there. We get all him out of there. See? Spread him around in there a little bit. Can out my way. Spread this round. Hey! We don't need no narrating early in the morning. I put the hash in here. I'm smashing it down. And I'm gonna put the salt and pepper on there. Okay. Hold on one second, let me take care of this. Hey. I'm the cook, not you. All right. But now back to where we was. All them interruptions. Absolutely unnecessary. So, that'll be enough of that. About like my kids. Don't know when to shut up. All right, look here. So, we're going to take some of this here salt. Put a little bit of salt on top of that. Okay? Then we're going to take some of this right here. Some of that black pepper. Can y'all read? Some folks can't read black pepper. We're going to put some black pepper up in here. Okay? I like that right there. Simple enough. And we'll go ahead and kick that up because we're cooking in a cast iron skillet. So I want to get this bad boy up to medium high. I want that roast beef hash crunchy. See? Now, this is going to take a few minutes to do this thing. But in the meantime, I'm going to bust up a couple eggs, get them ready, get this pan right here. Oh, what I tell you? Go ahead and get him preheated. Okay? Now, it's gonna take a few minutes on that roast beef hash. But anyways, go ahead and take this opportunity to crack up some eggs and get them ready. See that? You like that, don't you? Look here. Let me show you how this works. You practice. Put one finger on this side, one finger on this side, one thumb right there in the middle. Look at here. Crack your hand like that. Boom. You done learned something from Big T on the Cook Show. How to crack an egg with one hand. That's pretty slick. Most folks, look at here. And there ain't no shell down in there. Okay? It's only egg. Well, most folks can't crack an egg with their head. Well, they might have cracked their head, but they ain't cracked no eggs yet. Anyway, We'll get him down in there, like I told you. We ain't scared. We're gonna go ahead and bust up 4 eggs in there. Boom, 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 boom. You notice I ain't got no whisk down in here. I got my fork. Okay? Most of y'all ain't got no whisk anyway, so we can go ahead and fork does a much better job. Faster. Get down in there and work something. Got it working. Work it up. I beat him up enough. He's good. Listen, I stirred it plenty of times. It's scrambled. Okay? Just relax. So, roast beef hash down in there doing his thing. We're gonna smash him up a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure he's nice and tight down there in the bottom of that skillet. Okay? Now, this here, we're gonna leave him in there about 5-6 minutes. We're gonna flip him over, do the other side. Then we're gonna create some incredible omelets, a little Gouda cheese on top. You're gonna love it. Give me 1 second, let me get this going, and I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So our roast beef hash is pretty much done. It's been about, put that in there about 13 minutes ago. I turned the heat off. So that cast iron skillet is still producing heat up into it. You want to be crispy, you don't want to be burnt. So what we're going to do now, we'll go ahead and get these eggs that I scrambled up. Remember, this is 4 eggs in here. I'll go ahead and lay this down in here. So get this going on. So I can show you how to build this omelet. For those of you who ain't never built one, you want to make sure that your eggs are evenly distributed in the bottom of that pan. Okay? If you have to assist it, then you need to assist it. Because sometimes, you know, pans and eggs and skillets in the world just, you know, it's round, it ain't all flat. So sometimes you got to give it some help. Okay? So you let that in there. Keep an eye on this heat over here. Like I said, all this is turned off. But that cast iron skillet, he's still got some heat down in there. So don't be fooled by that. None of them shenanigans. You want that to be right and tight. Okay? So that right there is looking good. Got these eggs over here. Coming right along. I do have this set on medium for those of you who ain't never done this before. Might kick them up just a tad between medium high. Now once I see these eggs, let me bring this down here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Once I see these eggs are getting to the point to where the other side is looking as though it may be trying to get done, then I'm gonna start keeping an eye on it here. I can get all this turned over with some of this roast beef hash in it. Okay? So y'all just hang tight for a second. So this right here, this whole process on this omelet is about 3-4 minutes there. Okay? Starting to bubble up a little bit. Starting to tell me, hey, look down here, pay attention now. Okay? Now they do have in the supermarket, probably pick one up at Walmart. They do have a little omelet flipper. Okay? You can put all these eggs down in there and get yourself a perfect one every time. But most folks don't know nothing about that. So we're just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna keep it up here in the skillet. See what I'm talking about? It's some old school right here. We ain't got no omelet flipper. I am the omelet flipper. Okay? So our eggs coming right along. Get them there. All them sides is getting tight and right. Get him right here. Look like he's trying to give me a little attitude over here on this side. We'll get him over there. Now myself, I like my omelets, I like my eggs cooked. Okay? So, you know, some people, they're a little funny. I like little eggs a little runny. Big T don't like it like that. Like my eggs done. Hey, look here. We're cooking eggs and roast beef hash. Ain't cooking no Snoop Dogg breakfast. We're looking at me all crooked like I'm crazy. Everybody gotta put their 2 cents in. Speaking of which, now what we can do here, take this opportunity to go ahead and if you like the video, go ahead and click that thumbs up. It looks like this right here. See that right there? That. Click on it. Drop us a comment. You know, because everybody makes their omelets different. I could have put some vegetables up in here, some hot peppers. Could put jus up in here. Whatever it is, you do what you like. Now this omelet, these eggs right here, they're looking to me. They talking, saying turn down that heat a little bit. Start getting this scrunched up around here so I can get him where he needs to be. It's flipped over. Roll. Okay. Now, everybody looking good here. Make sure you get that little spatula up on there. See how that works like that? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here. Cause I'm only making 2 omelets today. I'm trying to feed the world. Take this right here, lay him down in there. Get the rest of this over here. Come here, give me a little help. Get this over here. See, this is so easy. If you ain't done it, you gotta do it, cause it's really good. Okay? Do. Boom, 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 boom. Boy, look at here. Look at this right here. Flip, flop. Okay? We got him right there. Hold him down for a second. Now, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get your ass up. Get the rolling, boy. Get him around there like that right there. Turn that heat on down a little bit. Remember I told you about that Gouda cheese? Oh yeah, that's some really good cheese. So we're gonna put a little something on there. Put a little something on there. That's gonna be good. So, he doing his little thing right there. We're gonna snatch him up out of there. And the rest, my friends, is history. You got it. Right there on the Cook Show. How to make an omelet. Roast beef hash.